And let's proceed to the last game. Our last game, Yolanda Holmes versus Luna Pier. First up for Yolanda, number 24. Eldama, number 5, Ismael, number 16, Franco, number 7, Cabral, number 30, Duman. For Luna Pier, number 7, Pam, number 3, Kamigi, number 0, Cabral, number 12, Macintosh, and number 10, Taylor. And also number 7, Joseph Pam. This is the last game of the opening games. First possession belongs to Lumina Pier. Macintosh takes, shot no good, there's a foul underneath the basket. Foul is on number 24, Eldama. First personal foul, first team foul. Two free throws will be given to Rabia Macintosh. First free throw is no good for Rabia. Second one, no good, rebound Franco. Cabral, gets it out to Ismael, wide open three, too strong. Rebound Cabral, to Ismael, Ismael drives, no good, rebound Kamigi. Pass deflected by Eldama. Possession remains with Lumina Pier. Rabia attacks the basket, layup is no good, rebound foul. Stepping out of bounds for foul, possession Yolanda Holmes. Cabral to Adrian. Adrian to Eldama, shot no good, rebound Rabia. Taylor to Cabral. Taylor did three, no good. Rebound, Pam. Pam shot, but there's a foul underneath the basket. Foul is on number 5, Ismael. First personal foul, second team foul. So two free throws will be given to Joseph Pam. First free throw is good for Joseph Pam. Lumina Pier is in the board line. 2 out of 2 for Joseph Pam. Steady of the free throw line. Cabral to Ismael. Ismael drives. Ismael scores. Deadlock 2 more is the score. Kamigi to Taylor. Mid-range Jay short. Rebound Ismael. There is a foul on the floor. Foul is on Taylor. First personal foul. First team foul. Ismael to Adrian. Adrian for deep. Yes, sir. Three-point is good for Adrian naman. Cabral, Lunis na elbow, scoring by Ismael, foul. Cabral, coast to coast, left to Ryan Ismael. 5-point lead now for Yolanda Holmes. One-legged fadeaway jumper is good for Joseph Eldama to Carl. Adrian to Carl. 6 seconds to shoot. Carl trying to penetrate. No good rebound, Eldama. Eldama to Ismail. Ismail drives. What a drive by Ismail. Former rookie MVP. Showing off his moves. Kamigi. Let it fly from deep. No good rebound, Franco. Ismail to Adrian. Adrian drives. Uses the glass. Highlighting floater is good for Adrian naman. Taylor with the ball for Lumina Kia. Pam loses the handle. Stolen by Franco. Franco. Pass deflected. Possession remains with Yolanda home. 7-point lead for Yolanda. Ismail kicks it out to Carl. Left in layup is good for Carl Cabral. Nine-point lead now for Yolanda home. Kenneth for three. Yes, sir! Kenneth Cabral for three. For Lumina Kia. Cutting the lead to 6. For Lumina Kia. Ismail to Eldama. To Ismail from deep, short. Rebound Rabia. Ryan to Taylor fires the triple, short. Rebound Ryan. Adrian, let it fly from deep, no good. Rebound, saves by Pam to Ryan. Ryan challenges the defense of Ismail. Possession remains with Lumina Kia. Timeout, right? Rock timeout. Timeout, Lumina Kia. 3 minutes and 27 seconds left in the first quarter. 13-7 is the score in favor of Yolanda home.
Sorry, I'm gonna change it. Thank you. Yeah, I'm selling.
Okay, back to the ball game. Baseline going from Lumina Kia. Pam. Closer to the rebound Pam to the cutting Cabral. Back to Pam. Hook shot is good for Joseph Samuel. The lead is 4 for Yolanda home. Cabral to Ismail. Driving baseline. Ismail to Cabral. Cabral from deep, no good. Rebound, Rabia. Cabral with the ball. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 7. Foul Cabral. First personal foul, third team foul. Cabral to Kamigi, to Rabia. 6 seconds to shoot. One drive, no good rebound. Ismail, stolen by Kamigi. Jumper no good, rebound Ismail. Next Sabret. Franco. Reverse layup, no good. Put back by Cabral is good. Kenneth Tufang. Thinking about taking the shoot. Ryan, Steve, to Taylor, baseline jumper, money, Orin Taylor. The lead is cut down to 4. Ismail, wide open three, no good. Naman, stepping out of bounds. Last 10 seconds. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Taylor to beat the buzzer. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 15 for Yolanda Homes and 11 for Lumina Care. Okay, back to the ball. Thank you. Okay, back to the ball. Second quarter possession belongs to Yolanda Homes. Second quarter possession belongs to Yolanda Homes. Balik to the ball. Ismail. Ismail with the Euro. Uses the glass. Ibas to Cabral to Taylor. Taking the trigger. Now good to Cabral. Cabral to Ismail. Ismail. Jump on his leg. Farooq Ismail. The lead is now 8 for Yolanda Homes. Taylor to Cabral. 6. Traveling violation. Committed by Lumina Care. Cabral to Balingit. Ismail to Cabral. Cabral, one shot, no good, rebound Aldama. To Ismail, from deep, no good, rebound. Cabral, put back by Cabral as well. Bam to Kamigi and ball and something Taylor from deep, no good. Rebound, Patrick Numan. Ismail to Aldama. Aldama too strong on the shot. Rebound. Ibas. Ibas to Cabral. To Taylor. Ibas wide open play. Uses the window. Lead is cut down to 7. Carl will answer. Pass deflected by Bali. Possession remains with Louis Lapierre. Substitution, Ismael for Franco. Taylor to Kamigi. Corner trade. There's a foul underneath the basket. Foul is on number 16, Franco. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul winning the ball to Ryan. Ryan to Taylor. Taylor for three. Yes, sir! Lead is cut down to 5. This is a 5-point game. Patrick to Carl. Carl to Patrick. Baseline jumper. Overshooting. Rebound. Ibas. To Cabral. Then bounce pass to Kamigi. Kamigi to Taylor. Wide open three. Rebound. Aldama. Aldama. Bounce pass. Stolen by Cabral. Cabral to Pam. Pam. Layup overshoot. Rebound on the wing. Bennett. Foul on the floor. Foul is on the horse, number 24. Jason Aldama, second personal foul. Timeout rep. Timeout. Yolanda Holmes. 5 minutes and 45 in the second quarter.
Do you ever like see other schools and be like, why the hell is my grade so young in your grade, like your school? But when you like, do you ever like look at other like schools that are the same grade as you, and they look like way older than your grade? Yeah.
I see tall white people.
No, because it's like
Guys with like beards.
yeah, like if they still feel 18, and then you like look like at like other schools.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Oh, this is high.
That's tilted.
14 shot clock for Lumina Page. Pam to Taylor. Turnover in Jay. What? Taylor. The lead is just 2. What a rally by Lumina Page. 89. Shot no good. There's a second foul on the floor. Offensive interference for Lumina Page. So technical free throw will be given to Yolanda Holmes. Technical free throw is no good for Yolanda. Possession will remain with Yolanda Holmes. Cabral to Franco, uses the handoff. Turnover for Yolanda Holmes. Possession Lumina Page. Here comes Lumina Page. Lumina Page down by 2. What a rally in the second quarter for Lumina Page. Cabral to Ryan. Ryan to Taylor. Taylor wide open 3. Short rebound Cabral. Cabral strong side to the basket. Layup is good. Transition opens. Basket is good for the foul for Joseph Brown. Foul is on number 5, Ismail. Second personal foul, third team foul. Chance for an end one for Joseph Brown. This is a 2-point lead for Yolanda Holmes. Bonus free throw is good for Joseph Brown. This is just a 1-point lead for Yolanda. First personal foul, warning for penalty. So Taylor will shoot 2 free throws for Luminatea. Chance for Luminatea to tie the ball game or regain or take the lead. Taylor ties the ball in. Twenty play apiece. Two out of two for Taylor and Luminatea gains the lead for Adrian Cabral. Ismael, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 0. Blocking foul on Cabral. First personal foul, second team foul. Ismael to foul. Pass. Pass to Aldama. Aldama to Adrian. Adrian fakes. Floaters. No good. Rebound. Aldama. Aldama putback is good. Putback is good for Aldama. Rebound by Aldama. Finish by Pam. Ismael with the Euro. Layup is good. Farouk Ismael. 3-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Taylor, what a fight to Kamigi! No pass to Ryan Kamigi. Yolanda hanging on to the 1-point lead, but right, stop and drops, no good here on Ryan. Here comes Luminatea. Cabral to Ryan, comes to Jenny. No good. Rebound. Aldama, that's the end of the first half. Official score, 27 for Yolanda Holmes and 26 for Luminatea. Okay, back to the ball game. This is the second half. Third quarter possession belongs to Luminatea. Mendoza is in the ball game now. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 28. Sorry, is foul red? Number 29, Balingit. First personal foul, first team foul. Aldama to foul, what a time foul! Kamigi to foul. Ismael with the ball. Luminatea with the lead now. Adrian to Balingit. Baseline jumper, no good, rebound foul. Mendoza to Taylor. Taylor from deep, no good, rebound, no man. Franco, well right to the basket. Layup is good for Franco. Shot by Franco, no good. Put back no good, rebound, Ismael. Franco, shot, no good, rebound from. 1 point lead by Luminatea. Mendoza to Cabral for 3, no good. offensive infraction. So technical foul in Yolanda. One technical free throw will be given to Lumina Field. One-point lead by Lumina Field. Technical free throw is good. It's now, sorry, deadlock 29 is the score. Mendoza stepping out of bounds. Possession will be with Yolanda Hoyt. Deadlock 29 is the score. Ismail with the ball. Ismail to Adrian from deep, short, rebound, foul. From to Taylor. Taylor comes it up to Cabral. Taylor, loses the handle, stolen by Franco. Adrian to Franco, drops it up to Numan. Numan, right? Numan score! Mendoza with the ball. Mendoza, elbow J, money for Mendoza. Deadlock is the score. Adrian looking for a teammate. Pass his brother Patrick. Ryan from deep, no good. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza across the coast. No basket. There's a foul on the floor. Foul is on number 30. Adrian Numan. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Sabret. Franco for Lodama. Cabral for Balingit. Kamigi to Cabral. Ryan driving baseline. Lays it up. No good. Rebound. Ismail. Ismail to Carl. Carl in. Drops it off to Patrick. Short in the layup. Rebound. Pound. 40 minutes for Yolanda Hoyt. Still 31 balls in the score. Kenneth driving baseline. To Taylor. KWJ. In out. Rebound. Ismail. Ismail for three, short rebound Mendoza. Mendoza with Hesse. Pull up jumper is good for Mendoza. And Lumina Air regains the lead. Ismail to play up no good. Rebound foul. Taylor to Mendoza. Mendoza to Pam. Pam to Ryan. Ryan to Kenneth. To Pam. Pam pass to the wrong guy. Turnover for Lumina there. Cabral lays it up. Lays it in. Tied ball game once again at 33 apiece. Taylor dancing with the man. Cabral against Adrian. Screen by Pam. Pam to Taylor. Shot for good, but there's a foul underneath the basket. Foul is on number 23. Patrick Numan, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Chance for Lumina Air to regain the lead. 33. Deadlock is the score. First paper is good for Taylor, giving his team a 1 point lead. Next sub rep. Two and two for Taylor. 2 point lead for Lumina Care. Mosquito checks in for Cabral. 2 minutes and 42 in the third quarter. 2 point lead by Lumina Care. Ismael for Eldama. Eldama short of the layup, rebound Mendoza. Mendoza with the Euro. That is good for Mendoza. 4 point lead for Lumina Care. Ismael to Eldama. What a time for Ismael to Eldama. Transition basket is good. That's a foul. Foul is number 5. Ismael, third personal foul. 15 foul. So chance for an end one for FAM. 4 point lead for Lumina Care. Substitution rep. Macintosh for Kaligi. Bonus free throw is good for FAM. Three-point lead for Lumina Care. Adrian to far. Gone from deep. No good. Rebound FAM. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Ravia to Earl. Earl for 3. Bothered by Patrick. Ravia. Put back, no good, rebound, Ismael. Stolen by Taylor. Taylor behind the back pass to Macintosh, short of the layup. Rebound Taylor, denied by Eldama. Rebound Ismael. Ismael, no look pass, denied by Mendoza. Put back by Adrian. It's good plus a foul. Foul is on number 7. Joseph Lam, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw for Adrian. Bonus free throw for Adrian. Nice the ball in. Taylor from deep. Yes, sir! Taylor with a booming free throw before the end of the third quarter. Division score 41 for Lumina Care and 38 for Yolanda Home. So this is the last and final quarter of the evening. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Yolanda Home. Hold on to your seats. Yolanda down by 3. Adrian from deep. No good. Rebound sa crib. Mendoza. Mendoza with the ball. To Ibas. Last touch on Yolanda Homes. Possession remains with Lumina Care. Ibas to Taylor. Bam! Floater, no good. Rebound Cabral. Ismail with the ball. Ismail. Stood by Joseph Town. Turnover for Yolanda. Mendoza from deep. Too strong rebound Ismail. Over the back foul on number 10, Taylor. Second personal foul, first team foul. High. Louder. Short. Rebound Mendoza. Ipas with the ball. Ipas to Pam. Rabia. Fires from deep. Yes, sir! Moving triple from Rabia McIntosh. The lead is 6 for Luminakin. Ismail will answer. Yes, sir! Ismail answers with his own triple. The lead is 3 for Luminakin. Taylor will answer. Short. Rebound Ismail. Ismail to Cabral. Ismail wide open play. Short. Rebound is a free thumb. Rabia with the ball. Rabia back to the basket. Floater is good for Rabia McIntosh. The lead is 5 for Luminakin. Ismail. Ismail from deep too strong. Rebound Adrian. Adrian to far. So Ismail once again. Uses the glass. Number 3 Mexico. Put back the good. Put back again the good rebound Ibas. Mendoza with the ball. To Rabia. Pass to Taylor. Mendoza driving baseline. Mendoza behind, but there's a foul. Foul on Yolanda, number 5, Farouk Ismail. That's 4 on Farouk. First team foul on Yolanda. Sub. Kamigin for Ibas. That's 4 personal foul on Farouk Ismail. So Farouk is in foul trouble. 2 free throws for Carlo Mendoza. First free throw is no good for Carlo. Plenty of time left. 6 minutes and 17 in the fourth quarter. Second one, still no good. Rebound Ismail. Still a 5-point game. Ismail. Pass to Patrick. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover for Yolanda Horns.
Power.
Taylor to Rabia. Rabia from deep, no good. Rebound Taylor. Taylor for the 3. Yes, sir! Moving triple for Irving Taylor. 8-point lead now for Luminakin. Backside is good. Off the window. 3-pointer is good for Kyle Cabral. What a game! Rabia to Kamigi. Kamigi drives. Kamigi scores. Seven-point lead for Luminakin. Cabral. Denied by Mendoza. Leading by Pam. Pam to Mendoza. Mendoza to Pam. Pam slowing it down to Rabia. Pass to Taylor. Taylor. Jumper. Bucket for Taylor. The lead is now 9 for Luminakin. Adrian to Patrick. Pass to Patrick by Ryan. Sloppy play. Ryan drives. No good rebound. Kyle Cabral. Sorry, miss. Ryan. Franco Labo. Franco to Patrick. Adrian alone for 3. Overshoots Devon Taylor. Four minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 30. Adrian Juan, third personal foul, second team foul. Franco for Aldama. Macintosh for Cabral. Macintosh checks out for Kenneth Cabral. Giving him a pillow. Mendoza, top of the key, no good, rebound Aldama. Aldama to Ismael. Ismael, stop and drop from deep, no good, rebound Mendoza. Bang to Cabral. Bang to Taylor. Taylor inside pass to Mendoza, what a time! Double digit lead now for Lumina K. Once again, same spot, different result this time. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza denied by Cabral. Turnover for Lumina K. What a defense for Yolanda Holmes. 2 minutes and 56 remaining. Ismael, bounded by Kanya. To Carl. Carl. Shot no good. Rebound Ismael. Ismael for 3. Short. Rebound Adrian naman. Denied by Pam. Rebound by Cabral. Patrick Tristan J. No good. Rebound Mendoza. Taylor. Too strong. On his pass to Kenneth Cabral, good intention, but turns the ball over. 11-point lead for Lumina K. Ismael to Carl. Carl from deep, no good. Rebound Adrian. I'm sorry, Patrick. Ismael from deep, no good. Mendoza with the ball. Ryan off the pass from Mendoza. Ryan is good. Last 2 minutes. Turnover scored by Taylor. Foul to Cabral. To the train, Kamigi. What a time! Ryan Kamigi with the layup. 14-point lead. Fourth quarter barrage by Lumina K. Carl, one shot over Devon Mendoza. Mendoza slides. Left to layup is good for Mendoza. Aldama. To Ismael. Ismael for 3. Yes, sir. Off the pass from Cabral. Layup is good. Last 60 seconds. Ismael from deep, no good. Rebound Pam. Pass intercepted. The rebound by Ismael. Lazy pass stolen by Taylor. Taylor from deep, yes sir! Last 30 seconds. Carl with a hit, no good. Last 24 seconds. Ryan, out the pass. No good, putback is good for Ryan. Both teams showing spirit of sportsmanship as we run off the clock. 3 more. Lumina K will prevail over Yolanda Holmes. Official score Midday Vice. Change